want to say hi.
Yeah, we just want to say hi.
Oh my gosh.
It's water.
See it.
Dude, just film it. Dude, don't make it obvious.
Connor, give it up. Sorry.
Maybe you should have switched it.
Oh my god, dude, I did not make
Connor. We've got 10 minutes.
What?
I don't know what we can do.
What should we do? I don't know.
Like, where can we go?
Oh my god, dude, I'm sorry.
If you find it, Hannah, I want to see you. Oh, what the?
Yeah.
It's so obvious.
You're so mean. Alright, thanks, Mr. Perry.
Yeah, my pencil. I know.